Hello and welcome to today's video. You won't see me picking any locks in this video, since I decided to basically just give you a video dump of me producing the Dimple pick handles that you see me use in some of my other videos. I won't be going into too much detail, I will just let the footage run and from time to time give a small comment as to what's going on in the video. The first material that I'm turning here is 9mm round stock. I am turning down one part of the brass rod to about 3mm. That's the part that will later get fitted into the wooden section of the Dimple pick handles. After parting it off, I will then drill a 1.5mm hole through the brass piece. This will later accept the dimple flags. From here on comes the good part, which is turning down the wood, parting it off to the desired length and then drilling a hole on either end to later accept the brass pieces. brass pieces are then joined with the wood section. The fit is real tight, so it needs a bit of hammering to get it in place. A drop of glue ensures that the pieces stay together. The pick is then put back into the lathe and turned down to final dimensions. Then begins the most time-consuming part of the process, getting the pick to a nice finish. I'm using sandpaper all the way from 200 grit to 3000 grit for this. And then the moment where it all pays out. Applying the linseed oil to the pick and revealing the beautiful pattern of the wood. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more workshop content like this, please let me know down in the comments.